Good morning, all of you, and once again, welcome to our Gyan Jyoti online classes. And today we will proceed our new topic or new exercise. Okay, question section, chapter number 11. Okay, it is about Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, this is the exercise. We will go to the exercise. We will do the exercise of chapter number 11, Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, so open your book, page number 104, and see the comprehension section. That is first one, A1. Tick the correct statements. Okay, so here are 5 statements given about Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, and we have to tick the correct statement about him. Okay, so I am going through the all the statements. First one is Edison was a usual boy. Okay, Edison was a usual boy. So first one is wrong. Okay, number 2, little Edison worked as a newsboy. Okay, little Edison worked as a newsboy. So this statement is right. Okay, because after being sent back from school to home, what he usually do, he does newspaper selling. Okay, he read the newspaper. Afterward, he learned to write the telegram. Okay, so at first, after being sent back from school to home, he started selling newspaper, or he became a newsboy in a train. Okay, so this statement is correct. वो statement क्या है? Correct है. Number 3, Edison learned to telegraph. Edison learned to telegraph. So number 3 is also correct. Number 4, people laughed at the way Edison concentrated. People laughed at the way Edison concentrated. Okay, so this statement is also correct one, because people, those who were there, those who saw Edison was concentrated in his work, they laughed at him, seeing his dedication towards his work. Number 5, Edison invented the electric bulb. Okay, so who invented electric bulb? Thomas Alva Edison invented the electric bulb. So this statement is also correct one. Okay, so first statement is not correct. Okay, then the rest of all 4 sentences or statements are correct. ठीक है ना, पहला सेंटेंस जो है वो रॉन्ग है, बाकी जितने भी हैं 4 स्टेटमेंट्स वो सब क्या है? करेक्ट है. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स हैं किसके लिए? थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन के लिए वो सभी स्टेटमेंट क्या है? करेक्ट है. ओके, कम टू A2, आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, फर्स्ट आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. नंबर 2 is answer this. Also I am writing here. Okay, A2, answer these questions. Okay, answer these questions. So first question here is, why did Edison's teacher send him home? Okay, why did Edison's teacher send him home? एडिसन की टीचर उनको स्कूल से क्यों बाहर निकाल दिए, या घर क्यों भेज दिए? ओके, why did Edison's teacher send him home? उनके टीचर उन्हें घर क्यों भेज दिए? The teacher thought that he could not read. Okay, the teacher thought that he could not read. That is why she sent. Okay, could not read, so that is why she sent to home. Okay, the teacher thought that he could not learn. He could not learn. That is why she sent him from the school. Okay. Question number 2. What did Edison's mother think about him? Okay. What did Edison's mother think about him? Edison की मम्मी उसके बारे में क्या सोचती थी? So Edison's mother knew that he was intelligent. Okay. Edison's mother knew that he was intelligent, but she just didn't know that, he thought that he could not learn. Okay. Question number 3. Name some of Edison's inventions. Okay. Name some of Edison's inventions. तो एडिशंस के कुछ इन्वेंशंस के नाम क्या है बताने हैं. द फोटोग्राफ, इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट, सुपर स्टोरेज बैटरी एंड मूवी आर्ट्स ऑफ एडिशंस इन्वेंशंस. ओके. द फोटोग्राफ, इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट, ए सुपर स्टोरेज बैटरी एंड मूवी आर सम एडिशंस inventions. Okay. These are some Edison's what inventions. Okay, because we see the light. Okay, we see light in all these inventions, in phonograph, in electric lights, super storage battery. Okay, here we find the electricity. Okay, in each and every aspect, in each and every inventions, we find electric. Okay, so these are some inventions that were invented. These are some devices. Okay. By devices invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Okay. Number 4. Why would our lives be very dull had it not been for Edison? Okay. Why would our lives be very dull had it not been for Edison? अगर Edison ना होते तो हमारा जो लाइफ है उतना डल क्यों हो जाता? So our modern life depends on the inventions of Mr. Edison's. There would have been no radio, X-ray or television. Okay, our modern life completely depends on the inventions of Mr. Edison. There would have been no radio, X-ray or television, because we are completely dependent on electrical gadgets, and our life surrounds all the electrical gadgets. We are surrounded by electrical gadgets in each and every corner of our house. We can see the electric. We see television, fan, batteries. Okay, machines. There are a lot of machines around us. Okay, so why that machines are possible? It is because of Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, he invented such machines, such machines. Okay, like he invented the electricity. So that is the reason that electricity is going on each and every every corner of our house. We see electricity in television, electricity in fan, electricity in cooler, electricity in AC. Okay, electricity in different machines. Okay, so these are all because of Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, bulb. Okay, we see a lot of things in televisions. Okay, their small bulbs are also there in televisions, which show us the picture of that, show the picture of something in the television. Okay, so it is because of Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, so फिर से एक बार सुनो. Why did Edison's teacher send him home? Edison की टीचर घर क्यों भेज दिए? The teacher thought that he could not learn. तो टीचर को लगा कि क्या है, वो पढ़ नहीं सकते, याद कर नहीं सकते, इसलिए क्या है, उनको घर क्या है भेज देते हैं. Question 2. Why did Edison's mother think about him? What did Edison's mother think about him? Edison के मम्मी उसके बारे में क्या सोचते थे? Edison's mother knew that he was intelligent. Okay, वो बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट है पहले से ही. ठीक है ना, वो दूसरे बच्चों की तरह नहीं है, उनकी मम्मी पहले से जानते थे. Name some Edison's inventions: phonograph, electric light, a super storage battery, a movie, or some Edison's inventions. So these are some Edison's inventions. Why would our lives be very dull had it not been for Edison? Edison के बगैर हमारी जो लाइफ है वो डल क्यों हो जाता, बिकॉज आवर मॉडर्न लाइफ कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द इन्वेंशंस ऑफ मिस्टर एडिशंस. ओके, दैट इज देयर विल बी नो रेडियो, एक्सरे और टेलीविजन. ठीक है ना, रेडियो नहीं होती सुनने के लिए, एक्सरे ना होती, टेलीविजन देखने के लिए नहीं होती, अगर थॉमस अल्वा एडिशन वो इन्वेंशन नहीं करते थे. ओके, देन कम टू A3 डिस्कस. ओके, डिस्कशन सेक्शन. Okay, so discussion section. Edison invented the electric light. Without his invention, there would have been no TV, movies, or computers. How do you think the children spent their evenings before these inventions? Do you think their lives were better than yours? Discuss in groups of 4. Okay, so Edison invented the electric bulb. We do it. And without his inventions, there would have been no TV, movies, or computers. And if he wouldn't have invented such things, then there wouldn't have any TV or movies or computers that we are seeing today. So how do you think the children spent their evenings before these inventions? So here is a question that how the children spent their leisures बिफोर दिस इन्वेंशंस. जब इन्वेंशंस नहीं हुआ था तो जो स्टूडेंट्स थे, बच्चे थे, वो कैसे अपने लेजर टाइम को क्या स्पेंड किया करते थे. सो डू यू थिंक देयर लाइफ्स वर बेटर देन योर्स? सो डू यू थिंक दैट दोज लाइफ्स आर बेटर देन अस? डिस्कस इन ग्रुप्स ऑफ 4. सो क्या डिस्कशन करना है. ओके, सो द लाइफ्स ऑफ द पीपल इन द पास्ट वेयर इज नो वे बेटर देन द लाइफ्स ऑफ द मॉडर्न मैन. हाउएवर they were close to nature. This is the only thing that the modern man misses out in his modern life. Also, there was no pollution. The evenings were spent outdoors, playing hopscotch, kabaddi, cricket, etc. Okay, first time the lives of people in the past were is no way better than the lives of the modern man. Okay, so the lives of the old means the person those who are living life before inventions. Okay, their life were completely different from us. Okay, their lives were very completely different from us. That is not better than us. Okay, their lives were not better than us, because we can find a lot of things, we can see a lot of things in TVs. Okay, we can listen a lot of songs also on radios or computers and mobile phones. Okay, which they were exempted from that inventions. Okay, which were there exempted. तो आजकल के हमारे जो लाइफ्स हैं, ठीक है ना, पहले के जो पर्सन इन्वेंशन से पहले जो लाइफ जीते थे पीपल, वो हमारी लाइफ से बिल्कुल क्या है डिफरेंट थे. क्योंकि आजकल क्या है हम हर चीज़ को क्या है देख पा रहे हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ टेलीविजन एंड कंप्यूटर्स एंड लिसन अ लॉट ऑफ सॉन्ग्स. जबकि क्या है उनको ये सब चीज़ क्या देखने को नहीं मिलती. देयर लाइफ्स वर लिमिटेड. ओके, दैट मीन्स दे कैन एंजॉय अ लिटिल, दे कांट एंजॉय एज वी आर एंजॉइंग नाउ. वो हमारी तरह क्या ऐसे एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते थे. ओके, they can enjoy the nature in a limited quantity. Okay, they can enjoy, sorry, not nature, they can enjoy the things in a limited quantity. But today we enjoy a lot of things, but there is a difference between them and us. And what is the difference? However, they were close to nature. They were close to nature. This is the only thing that the modern man misses out in his modern life. Okay, the main difference between them and us is that दे वर वेरी क्लोज टू नेचर. वो नेचर से बहुत ही क्या है क्लोजनेस थे, इन द क्लोज थे. ठीक है ना, नेचर को अच्छे से क्या उन्होंने देखा है, जो कि क्या है मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड के जो पीपुल हैं वो उससे क्या है मिस आउट करते हैं. ठीक है ना, वो नेचर को उतना एंजॉय नहीं कर पाते जितना कि क्या है इन्वेंशन के पहले जो पर्सन थे, ठीक है ना, पीपुल थे, वो एंजॉय करते थे. क्योंकि आजकल क्या हम सिर्फ क्या है मोबाइल कंप्यूटर्स की बेस में क्या है चिपके रहते हैं. ठीक है ना, कहने का मतलब हमारी जो लाइफ है वो क्या है इंडोर हो चुका है. आउटडोर में हमारा अपना जो लाइफ है वो कभी भी क्या है बाहर हम कहीं ऐसा कोई जगह नहीं है जो कि क्या है हम क्या है हम जाकर कहीं खेल सकते हैं, कुछ कर सकते हैं. हम सिर्फ क्या है मोबाइल्स, कंप्यूटर्स, टेलीविजन्स में क्या है हमारे जो है लाइफ क्या उसी में रहता है, ठीक है ना, वही उसी को हम क्या है अपना लाइफ का एक पार्ट क्या है मतलब मान लिए हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम एंड अस. Also, there was no pollution. The evenings were spent outdoors playing hopscotch, kabaddi, cricket. Okay. Also, there was no pollution. Okay. So as we can see a lot pollutions. Okay. We see an ever increasing what pollution is increasing on a daily basis. Okay. We can't inhale the fresh air which they do. Okay. So it is a difference between them and us. Also, they spend the evenings by going outdoors, playing crickets, kabaddis. Okay, so these sorts of outdoor games they used to play in before the inventions. Okay, which we are not enjoying that sorts of thing nowadays. Okay, because we are staying in home and playing with the mobile phones. तो ये जो डिफरेंस है वो क्या है क्रिएट, ये एक बहुत बड़ा क्या है डिफरेंस है मॉडर्न लाइफ और क्या है अर्ली लाइफ में, ठीक है ना. इन्वेंशंस के पहले वो पूरा नेचर को पूरी तरह से क्या गया एंजॉय करते थे, आउटडोर गेम्स क्या है खेलते थे. दे वर फिजिकली फिट देन अस, फिजिकली मेंटली क्या वो फिट रहते थे, ठीक है ना. लेकिन आजकल क्या है हम उतना क्या फिट नहीं रहते. ओके, देन कम टू वोकैबुलरी सेक्शन. ओके, सो लुक एट दिस वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द पोएम. ओके, the word light means the energy that makes it possible to see things not weighing too much. Okay, so light, there is two meaning of light. The energy that makes it possible to see things. Okay, by the help of light we can see something in the dark. And also light means not weighing too much, ठीक है ना. लाइट का मतलब क्या है हल्का भी होता है, ठीक ना. नॉट weighing that means वजन जो नहीं होता हल्का होता है, उसका मतलब भी क्या है लाइट ही होता है. द वर्ड माइट मीन्स ग्रेट स्ट्रेंथ एंड पास्ट टेंस ऑफ मे यूज टू शो दैट समथिंग इज और वाज पॉसिबल. ओके, सो वर्ड्स दैट हैव द सेम स्पेलिंग एंड प्रोनाउंसिएशंस बट डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स आर कॉल्ड होमोनिम्स. ओके, सो व्हाट आर होमोनिम्स? वर्ड्स दैट हैव द सेम स्पेलिंग, जिसका सेम स्पेलिंग रहता है लेकिन जो मीनिंग है, ठीक ना, प्रोनाउंसिएशन वो डिफरेंट हो जाता है, उसको क्या है होमोनिम्स बोला जाता है. Okay, so tick the correct meaning of the underlined words in each sentences. Okay, in each sentence. So here we have to tick the correct meaning of the underlined words in the sentence. Okay. So vocabulary section, tick the correct meaning of the underlined words in each sentence. There was a traffic jam on the road. Okay, so what is the correct meaning of the word jam? Okay, what is the correct meaning of the word jam? There was a traffic jam on the road, sir. The correct one is crowding together of vehicles and people. Okay, crowding together of vehicles and people. So option B is your correct one. Okay, so tick the option B. Come to question number 2. Your actions show what kind of a person you are. Your actions show what kind of a person you are. So the answer is A. Option A is your correct one. So kind means a short or type. Okay. Number 3. The baby tried to walk by putting on one foot in front of the other. Okay. The baby tried to walk by putting one foot in front of the other. So the correct meaning of the foot is it is a part of the body. Okay, foot means a part of the body. So option B is correct one. Number 4, the book was given to me by my grandmother, so it is very dear to me. The book was given to me by my grandmother, so it is very dear to me. The correct meaning of the word dear is much loved. So the option B is correct one. Okay. Then come to grammar section. Okay, so here some models are given. That model is a special verb that gives additional information about the functions of main verb. Okay, so model usually give information about the main verb. Okay, so model can first model that is can Okay, look at your books. I am reading out and want to explain. Okay, reading out this one. Okay, so can, it is the expressing, okay, can model ability. I can run very fast. I can run very fast is the ability of expressing. Okay, permission. Can I use your pencil please? Possibility. Excessive rain can cause flood. So we can use the can for expressing the ability, permission and possibility. ठीक ना। तो कैन मॉडल हम कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं? एबिलिटी जहाँ पे हो, जहाँ पे परमिशन लेना हो, जहाँ पे पॉसिबिलिटी है, किसी चीज़ का पॉसिबिलिटी है, वहाँ पर हम क्या है, कैन का यूज कर सकते हैं। ओके, देन कम टू कुड, द एबिलिटी इन द पास्ट। ओके, वी कैन यूज द मॉडल कुड फॉर द एबिलिटी इन द पास्ट, फॉर एबिलिटी फॉर पोलाइट परमिशंस possibilities, okay, in the past. Okay, may, we can use the model may for permissions, possibility or probability. Okay, there is, may I borrow your food for a day? That there is a possibility that may, that I can borrow a code for a day. Okay, India may win the match. Okay, sorry, first one is your permission. So possibility or probability. Okay, India may win the match. So there is a possibility or probability that India will win the match. Okay, वो probability और possibility है कि इंडिया जीत सकता है। ठीक ना। ये मतलब ये completely ये सही नहीं है कि इंडिया ही जीतेगा। ठीक है ना। ये probability है, एक possibility है, chances है कि इंडिया जीतेगा। ठीक है ना। तो वहाँ पर भी हम क्या है, मे का यूज़ कर सकते हैं। शल सजेशन, यू कैन यूज द मॉडल शल फॉर सजेशन। शल आई ऑर्डर पिज़्ज़ा फॉर लंच? सो इफ यू वांट टू सजेस्ट समवन देन वी कैन यूज शल। वी कैन ऑफर, इफ देयर इज ऑफर, if you want to offer something then you can use the word shall. For promise, confirmation, seeking instruction, you can use the word shall. Okay, then come to page number 107, that is C1. Choose the correct models for these sentences. Okay, so here you have to choose the correct model for the sentences. Okay, that is okay. So first one is, I Dex make sure that I attend the meeting. Okay, I shall make sure that I attend the meeting. So the first model will be your shall. I shall make sure that I attend the meeting. ठीक है ना। तो shall का यूज कहाँ पे होता है? shall का यूज यूजुअली क्या है, हमारा फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर जैसे आई के साथ क्या है, शल का क्या यूज होता है। ओके, आई के साथ क्या है, शल का यूज होता है। आई के साथ, वी के साथ। ओके, so dash you be busy cleaning the house on Sunday? Will you be busy cleaning the house on Sunday? For asking question we can we use the word model will. Okay, dash he switch on the AC? Can he switch on the AC? Dash I have an ice cream please? May I have an ice cream please? If you work hard you dash get a place in the team. You can get a place in the team. So number 5 is can. So tick the correct one, can. Number 6, okay, my mother dash walk long distances but now she cannot. My mother walk long my mother could, okay, my mother could walk long distances but now she cannot. Okay, so first one is shall, second one will, can, may, can and would. So tick the answers. Okay, then come to the C2. Okay, come to C to read these sentences and make 5 sentences of your own using going to. So using going to we will make 4 sentences. Okay, sorry, we have to make 5 sentences using the word going to. Okay, so first one is, I am going to the park. Rima said that she will be going to the market. My father asked why I was going to the park. I said that I was going to my aunt's house but the plan was cancelled. My father said to complete my homework before going to school next day. Okay, so these are 5 sentences using the word going to. Okay. Okay, then come to the pronunciation section. Come to pronunciation section. D2. Separate the words in which the letter R or L is silent from those in which these letters are pronounced by putting the words in the proper columns. Okay, so here are some words given in the box, and we have to separate the words. Okay, making R silent, R pronounced, L silent and L pronounced. तो जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं उनको क्या है सेपरेट करना है. कौन से वर्ड जो कि आर साइलेंट है उसको अलग करना है, आर प्रोनाउंस्ड वर्ड्स को अलग करना है, एल साइलेंट वर्ड को अलग करना है और एल प्रोनाउंस्ड वर्ड को अलग करना है. ओके, सो द वर्ड्स आर एडिटर, लॉयल्टी, बैरियर, ब्रिगेड, almond, grace, salmon, shoot, friends, beautiful, circle, glance. Okay, so here are some words and we have to separate these words. Okay, so R silent words are editor, circle. Okay, editor, circle, and R pronounced words are brigade, barrier, grace, friends. Okay, L silent words are salmon, almond, shoot. Okay, and L pronounced words are beautiful, loyalty, glance. Okay, so this is your L silent word, salmon, almond, shoot, and L pronounced words are beautiful, loyalty, glance. Okay, so these are some words. Then come to listening and speaking section. That even work in pairs and listen to the points spoken for and against the topic. There should be no exams for children in primary classes. Then recollect the points and write them in the correct columns. So here is a topic given that there should be no exams for children in primary classes. Okay, so in topics, okay, in debates there are two aspects of debates. That is, one speaks about for certain topics, and the other group they speak about they speak against the topic. Okay, so here we have to speak for the topic and also against the topic. ठीक है ना, जो टॉपिक दिया गया है उसके अगेंस्ट भी बोलना है और उसके साथ जो है ना फॉर उसके लिए भी क्या है हमको बोलना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना, हमको मतलब डिबेट्स में दो ग्रुप्स होते हैं. एक ग्रुप उसके लिए बोलते हैं डिबेट के लिए, ठीक है ना, उसके वो दूसरे जो होते हैं वो उसके क्या है अगेंस्ट में बोलते हैं. ठीक है ना, तो यहाँ पे क्या है हमको पॉइंट आउट करना है, कुछ पॉइंट्स लिखना है जो कि क्या है उनके लिए बोलना है और उसके अगेंस्ट में क्या है बोलना है. सो फॉर children are small should not be stressed. Okay, exams led to unhealthy competitions that have brand some children as failures. Okay, so these are for children. ये children के लिए क्या है टॉपिक पॉइंट्स बोला गया है. ठीक है ना, so against क्या है टॉपिक के अगेंस्ट children become casual in their approach to studies. Okay, they suddenly falter in class 6. Elective competition works as a motivational factor. Okay, so these are against the topic, that is there should be no exams for children in primary classes. तो प्राइमरी क्लासेस में अगर एग्जाम ही नहीं होंगे तो ये क्या अगेंस्ट टॉपिक है. ठीक है ना, अगर नहीं होंगे तो क्या क्या हो सकता है चिल्ड्रन बिकम कैजुअल इन देयर अप्रोच टू स्टडीज. तो स्टडीज में क्या है हम कैजुअली लेंगे उसको कि हम हमारे तो एग्जाम से नहीं हो रहा है हम क्यों क्या है पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है ना, दे सडनली फैटल इन क्लास 6. और क्लास 5 में अगर वो प्राइमरी क्लास में एग्जाम नहीं होगा तो क्लास 6 में जब जाएंगे तो क्या है वीक हो जाएंगे. सो फैटल मींस वीक. ओके, एलिटिव कंपटीशन वर्क्स एज ए मोटिवेशनल फैक्टर. ठीक है ना, अगर कहीं भी कोई कंपटीशन जहाँ कंपटीशन होता है वहाँ कुछ ना कुछ क्या मोटिवेशन निकल के आता है कि हाँ हम ये कर सकते हैं, उसको हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं. सो दिस आर द अगेंस्ट. ओके, दिस आर द अगेंस्ट ऑफ दैट टॉपिक. और उसके लिए कौन सा है फॉर द टॉपिक चिल्ड्रन आर स्मॉल शुड नॉट बी स्टेज. ओके, सो एजुकेशन एग्जाम्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन इन प्राइमरी क्लासेस शुड नॉट बी there should be no exam for children in primary classes. तो उसके लिए कौन सा है चिल्ड्रन आर स्मॉल शुड नॉट बी स्टेज. कि कुछ डिबेट्स में एक ग्रुप का कहना है कि क्या है, चिल्ड्रन स्मॉल है, उनको क्या है ज़्यादा स्टेज नहीं देना चाहिए, इसलिए क्या एग्जाम नहीं होना चाहिए। एग्जाम्स रिलेट टू अनहेल्दी कॉम्पिटिशन्स, जो एग्जाम होते हैं वो अनहेल्दी क्या है कॉम्पिटिशन्स देते हैं, ठीक है ना, जिनका कोई ज़रूरत भी नहीं है स्टूडेंट मतलब बच्चों की लाइफ से, ठीक है। दे हैव ट्रेंड सम चिल्ड्रन एज फेलियर्स, ठीक है ना, कुछ चिल्ड्रन क्या है फेलियर्स हो जाते हैं, ठीक है ना, किससे एग्जाम करवाने से कुछ चिल्ड्रंस क्या है फेलियर्स हो जाते हैं, उसको क्या है फेलियर दिखाया जाता है कि ये तुम नहीं कर सकते। सो दिस आर द वो टॉपिक के लिए है और टॉपिक के अगेंस्ट में ये पॉइंट्स हैं, ओके। So well students, this is all about our today's topic, and I hope you have understood it properly. If you want that, you can ask me. Okay. So this is what we have completed chapter number 11 of your English textbook, that is Thomas Alva edition. So I suggest you to please see all the videos and keep watching all the videos. Do all the homeworks. Okay, textbook questions are in your note copies. So I want to suggest you that you should do the questions in the textbook copy only, and the rest the grammar section, that is your short question answer, you should do in your book. short question book में कर लेना, और जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है उसको क्या है अपना मेन कॉपी में क्या है लिखना, ताकि क्या है उनको लिखने भी आसानी हो जाएगा, मतलब कम लिखोगे और क्या है हमको क्या है चेक करने में क्या है आसानी होगा। ओके, गुड, हैव ए नाइस डे, थैंक यू।